Hello, in preparation for our Teaching Arts lunch on Friday, I just wanted to make a short video to give you an idea of what these things look like and to give you a little preview for what I'm going to talk about. So I want to talk about why I started doing these and what I've done over the past year, again, to help my students learn and hopefully make the whole learning process a little bit easier for everyone involved. So the key question here, right, is what is my motivation for making these videos? And when I started, it was very clear. My students were complaining, and they had complained consistently for several years, that I was asking them to do things that they were unable to do. Primarily, that I was asking them to solve problems using skills we had yet to discuss in class. My goal was to get them to read ahead in the text, solve problems based on the next unit that we were going to do, and then have them bring those questions to class so that we could have a discussion about new material. And there was definitely a vocal minority of the class who really did not like this and struggled to get anything out of it, and essentially it frustrated them more than anything else. So I started making the videos as a way to address that issue. Right? So I would say the first point was to help students solve problems on topics not yet discussed in class. And that has proven quite successful, so I've been very happy with that, and I think it has helped the students out, even if I do a short video of around 10 minutes, which is usually my goal. I've also used it for a variety of things since beginning with that as the idea. All right? So a lot of them revolve around things that I just sort of run out of time to do in class. So let me just run through the list I came up with so that you can see what I do. So enable students to see me solve a homework problem not discussed in class. It enables me to clarify questions between classes. If something comes up during a Q&A or office hours or something like that, I can very quickly make a video to clear up clarification that is a little bit easier to understand, especially in a visual subject like organic chemistry, that's easier to explain than if I sent out an email. So clarify, let's say, questions / concerns between classes, right, so that students can spend their time most efficiently. I've used it to provide a summary of materials / topics, whatever you want to say. But just if we weren't able to do that in class, I can very quickly just do a quick summary using the video. Right? And it also has enabled me to present problem-solving strategies with example problems. Again, things that often I'll do in class, but sometimes we just run out of class time, and it enables me to do that and get students the sort of practical sorts of information that they need. Right? So this is just a quick overview of some of the things that I use these videos for, and I look forward to having a discussion with you about how this has worked in my class, giving you some student feedback, providing you some tips and things to avoid, and also hearing about what you're thinking about and how this might be useful in your